So you've bought that nice new camera and then you're wondering how you can be able to create a business creating videos. This is a video for you. Watch till the end. Let's get those credits rolling. One of the things that I see very many people asking is, which camera should I buy and which is the best camera for production? But for you, you've made that leap already. You've already bought a camera and it's a good camera. It can be the M50 or the 90D, or it can be a 6D or a 5D Mark IV or Mark III, depending on the budget that you have. Now, once you have that camera with you, of course you can use it for personal use, but you can actually start using it to make some money. So here are a few ideas that you can be able to implement so that you can get started to make some money from this asset that you have already purchased. The first way is actually starting a YouTube channel. Of course, there are so many videos that I'll place one playlist in the card on how to start a YouTube channel. Now, the way that the YouTube channel will make you money is through ads, through affiliate marketing, through review of products, all the things that are associated with a YouTube channel. So this is one of the ways that you can actually start getting a revenue from making use of the camera that you have purchased. And just to add on that, instead of just using it to shoot your own content, you can create a way where your friends, your family, some people who would need a high quality camera and would want to use it to shoot their content can hire that particular camera for a number of hours and they would pay you for the use of the camera. So even though you are personally not creating the content, the camera still is making you money. And you can make something a little extra if you are the person who's going to be behind the camera, waiting for these people to shoot and helping them shoot and getting those different angles and getting B-roll for someone. And even as you do this, you can also go ahead and help them edit and edit for them and publish for them. These are services that you can actually charge for. So this camera for content creation can be for your own personal use, or you can hire it out when someone else wants to create content. The second one is doing adverts or doing videos, music videos or business videos. So a creative like a musician can come to you and they want you to actually shoot some content for them. They want to do a music video, or a barbershop wants you to do a video to show how good their barbershop is, and your expertise in video is what they need to use in order to market their business well. So this is how you can be able to actually help them to get their message across. So you will help with the pre-production, which is actually planning out the shots that will need to be taken, the locations that people will need to go to, who is needed for what particular purpose to actually get things started. The production phase, which is the actual shooting, which will be going to the business premises, doing the shots of the barbershop, or in this music video, getting the different angles to tell this story. Doing all this is part of production. And then you get into post-production, which is editing, color grading, coming up with a good message that brings out the brand of your client. So making videos for your clients can be a way that you can use your camera to actually make money for yourself. I hope that these tips can help you to start getting into videography. Because you have a camera, you can actually get into the video industry. If you have any question, place them in the comments below. Share this video with someone who is starting or thinking about getting into the video business, and I'll see you in the next one.